Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the two coolant heater hoses on Mercedes E220 CDI and 250 CDI W212. Now I'll show you which hoses I'm talking about. The hoses are, one of them is right there, this one right there. It's going in, down there, in there, and this plastic bit is leaking, so I'm going to be replacing it. And the other hose is behind the firewall, so we need to remove some stuff in order to get to remove both hoses. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So in order to get to those hoses, first we need to remove these wiper arms. Also we need to remove this plastic panel underneath the wiper arms. We'll start by removing the wiper arms. The wiper arms are held by a nut that we need to remove, and then we'll just wiggle the wiper arm a little bit and it will release and we can remove it. Next, we're going to remove this plastic panel that's underneath the wiper arms. These are the plastic screws that we need to remove. There is some on this side as well. Now that this plastic panel is removed, we're just going to put it to the side. Next, we're going to remove this metal plate. It's held by this bolt, and then we can pull out this metal plate. Next, we're going to remove the wiper mechanism. That's the wiper mechanism right there. It's held by a couple of bolts. One bolt is located right there. There's another bolt on the other side, right there. We also need to disconnect these electrical connectors. Now that the connectors are disconnected and the 3 bolts are removed, we can take out the wiper mechanism. Now that the wiper mechanism is removed, I have access to the coolant tray and to the coolant heater hoses. This is the second coolant heater hose right there. And you can see it going through the firewall right there and to the front of the car. It's coming out on this side right there. So first we're going to remove the clamp on the hose. That's the clamp I removed right there. Now I'm going to take out the hose. Next I'm going to remove the clamp on this hose right there, and I'm going to remove the hose as well. That's the other hose out. Now I'm going to remove this plastic part of this hose. I'm going to take them out both at the same time. The two pipes down there can actually separate from each other, but since they've been in the car for many years, they're stuck to each other, so there is no way of getting them out. So I'm going to be replacing both hoses. And that's the cool the two coolant heater hoses out. You can separate it from over there. Right there you can separate it from there, but in my case it's not possible, so I'm going to be replacing both hoses. That's the part number of one of the hoses. Now I'll show you the part number of both hoses. They're both original parts. On the diagram now I'll show you which are the two hoses that I'm replacing. It's one of them is number 150 and the other one is number 180. It's on the top right corner. Now I'm going to start putting on the two hoses. I'm going to put that hose through the hole. There is clips on it that will click into the firewall, and then we'll put the other hose on that side. Next I'm going to move the old hose on that side because I haven't removed it yet. It's held by a clamp over there that I need to remove and then pull out. Next I'm going to put on the new hose in its place, and then I'm going to fill the cooling system with coolant, bleed the system, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.